What's the meaning of cloak? Cloak. Cloak.
Cloak. Cloak. The word cloak refers to a type of outerwear that covers the body and may have a hood. It is often made of heavy fabric and is intended to keep the wearer warm in cold weather. Cloaks can also serve as a form of disguise, as they conceal the wearer's identity or occupation. In literature and mythology, cloaks are often associated with magic or mystery. They can be used to symbolize protection, secrecy, or power. Overall, the meaning of cloak depends on the context in which it is used.